Why are so many people calling this new app the next big super app for the crypto industry? Better than MetaMask? Better than Phantom? Well, you be the judge. Tomi is a channel partner. This video today is a complete walkthrough tutorial of this app. I just downloaded it. I tried it myself. I'm going to show you. You can download it too. I'll link the info below. Experience Tomi's chat and wallet app now, available on iOS and Android. This is one of the simplest apps you can download in crypto. And before we get into the walkthrough and tutorial, let me show you why they call this the super app. Take a look at their demo of this app on your screen. With this app, you can send crypto through the chat effortlessly, talk and transact crypto in conversation. Like all Tomi products, privacy is paramount. You control your own identity. You can switch between private and public or anonymous profiles on the app. When you engage on this app, you can get paid for it. You can monetize your groups or join groups that are monetized, private and public groups with access controls and built-in payments. And of course, this has wallet basics you'd expect. Manage your crypto easily. Full-featured wallet to buy, send, and swap across multi-chain. So something like this is the future. We know Elon Musk is trying to do something exactly like this with his X Everything app. Seems like Tomi is beating Elon Musk to the punch. Tomi creates the ever-sought-after bridge between instant messaging and money transfers, all with the set of high-end features that make the merging of these worlds possible. Okay, I just downloaded Tomi from the App Store. I linked a direct link to the app if you want to download it as well. When I downloaded this, I wasn't asked for an email, I wasn't asked for a phone number, just a username. I just claimed this. You want to claim your name as soon as possible, and behind the scenes, when I did this, a multi-chain crypto wallet was automatically created. Continue. Which profile photo should I pick? Perfect. Set my passcode. Very exciting. To create a monetized group or channel, come up here and go to either create channel or create group. Create channel. And I can set it however I want, very similar to the Telegram layout. Altcoin Daily Alpha. I can set it to public or private or premium. Subscription tier, one time. Subscription fee, $1. I'm a man of the people. This is only an example. Continue. Continue. Stay tuned. I can invite somebody onto this app with me by clicking the plus sign up here, then copying invitation link, or for a specific group, I go in the group, I click on the group, and here's the invite link for that specific group. All they would then have to do is get the app, create a profile. Takes 2 seconds, just like we just did it. This is the actual wallet part of the app. You can see here's the AI voice function up here. All your different tokens, swap, receive, send, NFTs. Here is the mini app section. You can connect to all your favorite DEXs like 1inch or Uniswap or PancakeSwap or NFT things. OpenSea, Gems, Magic Eden, Tomi DAO, of course. And something to note is, although I only have one account right here, Tomi supports multiple profiles all within one account, and switching between them is as easy as tapping a tab. You won't need to log in again. Actually, this is how easy it is to go from 2 different profiles. It took me seconds to set this up. One wallet, 2 accounts, different receiving addresses, so you do still have privacy. In one-on-one chats, you can send crypto directly, send gift, send NFT, send payment, request payment. So I can send a payment, and it will ask me what blockchain I prefer. Ethereum, Solana Base, etc. Everything happens natively on-chain. Remember, you need to hold both the tokens you're sending and enough gas, network fees, to cover the transaction. Otherwise, it won't go through. And just speaking kind of big picture about the monetization model on this app, Tomi takes a 15% fee paid on actions like subs or tips. Half gets burnt. The other half, that's the upside. If somebody joins through your link, you get 50% of that, and even more if they refer others. It actually pays across 3 levels. Make sure you use my invitation code below. If you're a creator, just set up a group, share your link, and start earning referral rewards today. Let me just highlight the key benefits, features for both users, features for both creators, chat and pay, secure texting and payments, no personal info required, simple, unified experience, secure. Groups and channels. Find your people, be your true self. It's very easy to discover new groups. It's very easy to get your groups discovered. You are in full control of your digital identity. Privacy at its core. Seamless connections. One of the things that makes them different is that it is AI powered in a few different ways. One, with your voice. Manage your crypto instantly inside the Tomi app just by using your voice. The AI assistant makes it easy to send, swap, and manage assets with zero friction. So you could say something like, send 500 USDT to John on Ethereum. This is pretty cool. And the AI is integrated for error prevention, context-aware commands, and more. Like I said, multi-chain and secure by design. Tomi app includes a self-custodial, multi-chain wallet giving you full control and security across Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana, and more. NFT and dApp integration. This app is ready for the future of Web3 with ever more expanding AI capabilities, more automation, more control. So this is everything you need from a wallet. This app truly does have a lot of features and benefits. As you can see, there are a lot of reasons to use the Tomi app. If you're a creator like me, you can earn on your own terms, no middlemen, no compromises. It's frictionless for fans, and it's an ecosystem built and backed by monetization. Very easy to build your community on this app. Create your own space. So check it out for yourself. Use my link below. I've dropped my Tomi link. Download the app, create a profile. It literally takes 30 seconds and explore the features. You can join a group, try tipping, or just see how it compares to what you're using now. Right now, Tomi brings together private messaging, multi-chain payments, and creator monetization all in one app. It's still early, and yes, the ecosystem's small, but the roadmap is big. Decentralized DNS, TomiNet access, mini apps, and full DAO governance. If you're into testing real Web3 products, not just tokens, Tomi's worth a look. Follow my link below and tell me what you think.
The new way to chat and pay is Tomi, an app with a message. Free yourself digitally. No more bouncing between apps. Your messages in groups, your wallet, and all your crypto dApps are here. Tomi doesn't require personal info to sign up. No email, no phone number. Just pick a username and you're in. Use Tomi to send and receive crypto payments within your chats. Send pay to reveal media. And create pay to enter channels with Tomi to grow your community and your income. It's all part of the conversation. Tomi, where money chats.